Hurricane Melissa to make landfall later today. Thieves struck as Hurricane Melissa lashes the island. And later in sports, Reggae Girls face Trinidad and Tobago in international friendly. Thank you for joining us. I'm Carrie Simpson. Here are the details. We begin this afternoon with the latest from the Met Service on Hurricane Melissa. The center of the hurricane is 180 kilometers west-southwest of Kingston, or 120 kilometers south of Negril Point. It is moving toward the north-northeast near 5 miles per hour. Now, according to the Met Service, a slow turn toward the northeast with an increase in forward speed is expected later today. On the forecast track, Hurricane Melissa is expected to make landfall today. Meanwhile, Principal Director of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, says the entire island has now started to feel the effects of Hurricane Melissa. This, he says, is especially for western and southern Jamaica.
We recognize that the system has not yet made landfall. The center is still some distance away from the coastline, just about 70 to 75 kilometers from the southwestern coastline, and it is still moving toward the north-northeast. So it is moving closer and closer to the coastline of Jamaica. I mentioned that it has been moving slowly, but it has been moving a little bit faster than it was previously, because it's now moving at 11 kilometers per hour. That's just about 7 miles per hour. And it is expected to make that turn to be more in a direction, moving in a direction toward the northeast, which is a slight shift toward the east, more so than it is going at this time. In the meantime, when it makes landfall, which is expected, as you can see in this image here, to be somewhere near parity in western St. Elizabeth, that's somewhat to the east of Black River. So it will most likely make landfall in the western part of St. Elizabeth rather than in the eastern part of Westmoreland. And then it will continue moving toward the northeast. That is the direction of movement that is expected. It will continue over the northern part of St. Elizabeth and then move into southern Trelawney. And the exit is expected to be somewhere in Trelawney rather than in St. Anne.
In terms of rainfall, Mr. Thompson says that has also reduced.